thought I'd share this progression with you. This front truck here does not have our lift in it yet. This second truck is a ABS truck. This is a platinum truck here. A little shaky on my cell phone here, but it is a platinum. It already has our lift in it. A little bit of variance you can see there in the back wheel well, most noticeable. A little bit in the front. And then this third truck here actually has our lift in it. This is a full spring truck, front and rear, so no airbags in the rear. This truck does have wheels and tires on it. I can tell you it's a fuel wheel. I cannot tell you the model because I didn't get a chance to look it up. But this truck here has our lift in it. And you can see it's got 35s on it. It's got a Toyo Open Country AT3. Walk over here. I'll share one other thing with you. If you don't think people make the road trip down here, this is not a joke. This gentleman came down. No one up in Canada would do it for him. So he came down here from Alberta, Canada, to have us lift his truck. So that's saying a lot. It meant a lot for him to drive down here and allow us to do this to his truck. So I'll even step around the back here because a lot of people say, oh, well, how far does the wheel stick out of the side? And this will give you an idea how far it does stick out. Give you a little idea there. And then I'll go up here and show you the tire size that we put on this truck. It is a Toyo Open Country AT3, and it is a 35, 12.5 by 18. So I'm guessing this wheel is a, it's a plus 18 offset on this one. That one was a limited. This one came down from Nevada. This is a platinum, still has the factory wheels on it. Now, this is the truck that we just got through doing the rear end and the front, and this has the ABS system in it, which we will release it next week for purchase. You can see the gap here on the fender. It does have quite a bit more gap than what the platinums have. They do come a little bit lower, about a ½ inch that we've noticed in the airbag trucks. This one here is a bone stock truck. This was brought to us by a dealer, brand new. Actually, it was brought to us from Finley, Toyota and Prescott. We do a lot of stuff with them. We're by the airport if you can't tell, so if you decide to fly in or fly home after dropping your car off, you can do that as well. Factory wheels and tires on this one. We are going to lift this truck. This one has the red shocks, and we are going to put in a set of Method 315s in it, or on it, and a Toyo RT and a 37 12.5 by 18 on this truck with a plus 18 wheel offset. So pretty cool to see these trucks here right now. And we have 2 more that are coming in tomorrow, but we've been doing a lot of them now. So if you're interested in having your truck or purchasing our lift kit for your truck, this is a preload collar lift. This is not your traditional spacer lift. This will not cause any damage to your strut. If anything, it enhances the ride, and it will not take away any of the upward or downward travel, and works really well with the factory suspension. So hope you enjoyed this video, and you can kind of see the difference in the heights on some of these trucks. So thanks again. Bye-bye.